What's good, booze? It's Shimbu, and you already know. You know who it is. It's Shimbu. We're going to be doing our nighttime routine. We're going to start by turning on the heater and putting on Miss Rachel for the baby. Miss Rachel saves lives, okay? Because if I have her on for the baby, I can get stuff done. So we're going to get that all squared away. After we get Miss Rachel going, we're going to take off the baby's shoes and his pants. And he has on 2 shirts, so we're going to take off one of them. And we're also going to change his diaper. I forgot to mention in his routine, my favorite diapers are Huggies. Huggies and the Kirkland diapers from Costco. So yeah, those Costco diapers are the absolute best if you don't want to do the Huggies. So that is great. Get you some Huggies, girl. They cheaper. I mean, the Kirkland ones is cheaper. And then I like Pampers wipes, and Huggies are Kirkland's diapers. Those Huggies wipes that I have are free. So now I'm just going to play with my baby and kiss all over him as he resisted, because I have not seen him the entire day. And that is a long time in mommy land. Like, I want to be with my baby every second of every day. So after I'm done playing with him, I'm going to go ahead and put him on the bed. And he's going to sit there and watch Miss Rachel until he decides he wants to come in the kitchen and harass me. So I'm going to clean out my lunchbox. I actually already washed that container at work. So I'm going to set it to the side. And then I'm going to go ahead and put away the dishes that's in the dish rack, because I washed those before I left and I didn't have time to put them up. And then I'm going to wash the 2 dishes that I had left. I would have made dishwater. I'm a firm believer in making dishwater, but not for 2 dishes. So I'm going to go ahead and wash and rinse those 2 dishes. And make sure you're getting the rim of that cup when you're washing cups, please. Squeeze a little rag out or whatever. And then I'm going to rinse it out thoroughly, because I use a lot of soap and I don't like my dishes tasting like soap. And then I'm going to go in the room and the attacks begin.
Oh, yeah.
When I get done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take off my waist belt and my little headband for the gym. That's great for fashion and for catching the sweat. So, yeah, waist belt is off. I'm a little bloated. I'll send a picture of my progress, or add a picture of my progress. And then there he go again, because he's always under my feet. When I'm around, he's around. We are a package deal, okay? Okay. So we're going to grab our essentials for the shower right quickly. I didn't grab all that much because I was exhausted and I didn't feel like taking a shower. I do need to shave, though, so we're going to get that as well. We're going to get our facial brush, our face wash, our body wash. And then, well, girl, you can't get in the shower with clothes on, so you got to take your clothes off. And, yeah, I have clean clothes over there in the bin, so the dirty clothes I have to just set to the side until I fold the new clothes, and then I can put them in the hamper once I'm done. But, yep, just taking everything off. And then I'm going to go ahead and go into the bathroom. Before I get in the shower, I'm going to re-tighten that ponytail, because it be falling down from being up all day. Honestly, it stay up all day. It get loose when I work out at the gym. As you can see, I just came home from the gym and I picked up the baby. Well, I went to work, then I went to the gym. I typically don't go to the gym at night, but I couldn't go in the morning, so I went at night. If I'm off work, I can do a morning and a night. I love doubles. So I'm going to put on this spy headband, and then I'm going to wash my face with that face wash, that Equate face wash that I showed you. It's the generic for the oil of Olay, and I have no problem with it. It has like little exfoliating beads. I have in-depth shower routines and in-depth skincare routines. So I'll go ahead and link those in the cards and at the end of the video for your viewing pleasure. So here's a close-up. Just get your skin really good. Love the facial brushes. The battery's dead, so I was moving it around myself. So then I'm going to go in with the same thing I did in my daytime routine. My cocoa butter Nivea lotion and my Equate baby oil for extra moisture. There it is. I didn't put the baby oil up to the camera, but it is the exact same one. And then when I get done, oh, y'all, I'm tired. Excuse me. Then when I get done, I'm going to steal my baby's Vaseline, and I'm going to put it in my lips and in my eyebrows. I've been putting it in my eyebrows since I was in high school. I have thick eyebrows. I like them to be slicked and laid down, so that's why I do it. I'm going to use this Smith's deodorant, and then I'm going to use this Bath & Body Wild Sands. It smells amazing. That alone smells like perfume, and it's thick and creamy. So if you want to like just throw that on because you are going to bed, you don't have to put on any body spray or anything. But I'm still going to rub that in, and I'm going to put on some body spray because I want to smell good. Then I'm going to change out that spa headband because the other one is wet from the shower and washing my face. I like to sleep in my birthday suit, so I'm just going to put on a robe for now. Just a robe. And yes, I love spa headbands. Can't talk. Got a lot of colors. Into the night, since it's nighttime, we're going to go into the night with this Bath & Bodies and the night body spray. And the baby's back. He's always there, guys. And I love it. I love having somebody to do life with. And I love that it's my son. It's so awesome. So then we're going to go ahead and tie that robe up. And I'm going to put my socks on. As you can see, there's a little handsome boy back there playing with my sock. Give me my other sock, boy. Thank you. So I'm going to put my socks on. And then I'm going to put my Crocs on. And then I'm going to go back in the kitchen because I got to heat up some meal prep, y'all. And then while I'm doing that, I'm going to put some nuggets for him in the air fryer. Get him some almond milk because, baby, he need that calcium. And we do not serve regular milk over here. I do not give my baby regular milk. I'm allergic to it, and I'm assuming he is too. So long as he gets the vitamins and the calcium, that is all that matters. And then I'm going to sit down and eat my meal prep while his food is heating up. He already ate at his dad's house. That's my meal prep. He already ate at his dad's house, but I usually feed him too because he's a hungry baby. And then if he doesn't want it, I'll just put it up and give it to him the next day. But those are those dinos. And then we're also going to give him a little fruit pack for Once Upon a Farm. Your baby will love those. Get those. And then he going to chill and I'm going to chill. And then, yeah, I'm out of here. Y'all can see the rest later. Love you. Like, comment, subscribe.